Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.3, Problem 2. This is Section 4.3, Problem 2. It says the following figure is made up of 100 little squares made of 10 rows of 10. And Part A says what percent of squares are shaded? So if you look, the bottom portion is shaded. A lot of them are shaded. So what you want to do is count up how many out of the 100. Now, they're in rows of 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 squares out of the 100 are shaded. So what percent are shaded? 80 out of 100 would be 80%. And then Part B says what percent of squares are not shaded? Well, the top portion are not shaded. You can count them up and see how many you have, or you can subtract from the total of 100. Either way, you should get the same answer. You get 20. But you have two rows of 10, so 10, 20. There's 20 squares out of 100 that are not shaded, so that would be 20%.